Werner's theory of coordination compounds. The main postulates of this theory are: in coordination compounds, metals show two types of valencies: primary valency and secondary valency. Primary valencies are normally ionizable and are satisfied by negative ions. Secondary valencies are non-ionizable and are satisfied by neutral molecules or negative ions. The secondary valency is equal to the coordination number and is fixed for a metal. A primary valency is denoted by a dotted line and a secondary valency by a continuous line. If a ligand exhibits both primary and secondary valencies, that ligand is attached to the central metal by a continuous line as well as dotted line. A ligand can simultaneously exhibit primary as well as secondary valency. And the ions or groups bound by secondary linkage to the central metal have characteristic spatial arrangement corresponding to different coordination number. Then is bonding in coordination compounds. Valence bond theory. The main features of the valence bond theory as applied to coordination compounds are as follows. The number of metal ligand coordinate bonds which can be formed in case of given metal depends upon the number of vacant orbitals for bonding in metal ion and is known as coordination number of the metal ion. Means metal ion के पास कुछ वेकेंट ऑर्बिटल होंगे जिनमें लिगेंड अपने लोन पे इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करेगा और कितने लिगेंड कितने ऑर्बिटल्स इस प्रोसेस में यूज हुए हैं वो डिसाइड करेगा कि उस मेटल का कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर कितना है. जो मेटल एटम और आयन अंडर द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ लिगेंड्स uses its d orbitals, s orbitals, p orbitals will decide the hybridization or geometry to the coordination compound. Now if coordination number is 4, then hybridization can be sp3 and dsp2. If it is 5 coordination number, it can be sp3d. If 6 coordination number, it will be octahedral complex, sp3d2 octahedral and d2sp3, that is also octahedral. The empty hybrid orbitals of the central metal atom or ion overlap with the filled orbital of the ligand containing the lone pair of electrons. So in this way, a metal ligand coordinate bond is formed. The inner orbital or the outer orbital complexes are formed depending upon whether the d orbitals of inner shell, d orbitals of outer shell are used in hybridization. मीन्स कोई भी कम्प्लेक्स इनर डी ऑर्बिटल कम्प्लेक्स होगा जब अंदर वाले डी ऑर्बिटल यूज़ करेगा मेटल अपने, जैसे 3D को यूज़ करेगा, और जब मेटल अपने बाहर वाले ऑर्बिटल यूज़ करेगा, मीन्स 4D ऑर्बिटल यूज़ करेगा, दैट विल बी आउटर डी ऑर्बिटल कम्प्लेक्स. कम्प्लेक्स जो वैलेंस बॉन्ड थ्योरी के अकॉर्डिंग कम्प्लेक्स बनेगा, दैट विल बी डायमैग्नेटिक अगर सारे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पेयर्ड हैं, और अगर अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं तो वो कम्प्लेक्स पैरामैग्नेटिक होगा. इफ देयर आर अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स देन कम्प्लेक्स विल बी पैरामैग्नेटिक इन नेचर. Now this is a table showing the different types of complexes with their hybridization, number of unpaired electrons and their paramagnetic behavior. Their paramagnetic behavior.